Welcome back to the cousin.
So
this is Isla.
And this is Poppy. So today we are going to be doing egg
blindfolded opening.
We don't actually have to do it blindfolded because we've got C in them. So the little slime things like these.
So some of them have been opened.
Yeah.
But most of them haven't.
Okay, get all the open eggs over there.
Okay. So these are the only open eggs.
I'm going to open this.
And
I'm going to open it.
Oh, this one's been opened by
This
me.
one's opened.
Oh yeah, because I opened it. So this is a unicorn charm.
And this is a really confetti one.
Okay, so put that there. Okay, I'm going to have this blue one.
I'm having this blue one. Oh, this is really light.
Slime.
I think I've got a charm. Because you can only get charms in, and slime in here.
So I have this pretty pink and blue confetti slime. Whoa. Okay. Close it back up.
I got a little flower.
Oh.
A blue little flower.
Okay, this green one feels so light. So I have a cactus. This is adorable.
I actually changed.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll open it now.
Oh, I got another confetti slime.
Oh, I'll open this pink one instead. Oh, in this pink one, I got a pink daisy. That's adorable. Poppy, just get one. I think mine's a charm again.
Hopefully. Not.
Oh, it is.
Oh my god, I was just getting the charm.
I
got a pretty pink one.
And I have a rabbit.
That's really preppy. The first thing I said,
really preppy.
that's really preppy. Huh?
Okay, I have this purple one here. Why
I'm going to open this purple one.
Yeah, I'm opening it.
Mine's really light.
Mine's heavy, so mine's a
Why
slime.
did they give us a rip-off and give us nothing?
I have this purple slime. This is so cute.
Oh, look at my... I've got little grapes.
Oh, grapes.
My favourite.
Yeah, that is your favourite. I think the rest of these are slime, so it's going to be a mystery.
I know your favourite colours.
Oh, I have another.
I got actual green slime.
I have this pink slime.
I've got this really green slime.
Okay, the last ones. Okay, I think these ones are going to be good.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, I got purple slime.
Purple slime. I'm still. Wait, I still have more in my hand. Rest away from the same. And I have this green slime. Okay,
So that's it.
So
basically, I've already opened those.
yeah. So here's everything we got. So many stuff. Are we gonna keep them in the eggs? We should keep them in the eggs.
Look,
No, because then they're gonna dry out if we put them anywhere else.
we can put them back in the eggs
That's what I said.
after we open them.
Poppy, why do we need the one I'm gonna choose? Is
Wait, we're not going to mix it. We're just going to put it in that. Get on my
and then
blanket.
I'm gonna which? Okay.
I'm going to do preppy pink with a
I don't know what
blue flower.
Oh, I'm gonna use the cactus.
We
with
need
the
scissors.
No, there's a rip on mine.
How did you do? It's clear on the top, but at the bottom.
I can't do it. Okay. Here is my charm.
I want to go find some scissors. I'll find them.
They're probably in one of the drawers.
Okay.
They're not gonna be in our drawers.
No, but I found these little hot candles.
Sharp. Is that pen sharp? I don't know. Oh, I got it mine.
Wait, is that your second one?
My first one. Open. I'm going to put it into this orange, not orange, this
I opened it.
pink egg.
Guys, this will be so satisfying. I'll put it near my iPad. Whee. Look, he's popping out. He's popping out.
Milo. It smells.
Like. What does it smell like?
Soap.
Go.
Okay, here's mine. It's in a pink container, so you can't really tell it's pink. But it's so pretty. I like how you open crisps. You just keep doing that. And try and use your nail to stab it. I'm going to do another one whilst Poppy's doing that. So I think I'm going to do this one. No, I don't know. Do this one, and I'm going to find one that matches. Right, I'm going to use this bunny rabbit with mine.
Well, mine's got these little clear of them pink things.
So I'm going to put it in its green container.
Okay, I'm going to add my
Okay,
chocolate. Oh, this actually goes with what I did.
This one smells nice. This one don't smell like soap. This smells like banana.
This don't smell like anything.
You know the banana sign we have?
Yeah.
It smells like that, this one.
So this is mine with a little daisy in.
But this one's not
I'm
sticky
going to
like that. Okay, here's mine. It does not look as good as I thought, but it's still cute. It's like a pool of spaghetti. I mean, confetti. Why did you not correct me, Poppy?
I don't know.
Okay, now I'm going to use a purple one, so I'm going to try and use all the colours. Right now, I've only used 3.
I haven't even used 2.
I don't know which one to use. Okay, Poppy, choose one.
That is unicorn.
Daisy.
I just blew my finger through that and...
Puffy.
What? See? Now I just got a bigger blown. Oh, that came out easily. Let's take a bit of that out. Okay, and then I've got the grape.
Poppy actually said to do it.
Yeah. So, this is mine with
Look at my silly face.
This is mine.
Whoa. Cute. Put it in a... No, wait, don't use the one we've already used. Poppy, don't use the one we've already used. Put it in a blue one.
I haven't even put it. I've already put it one in the blue one.
No. Oh, now I need to use yellow. Now.
What am I using?
Just use another one now. Okay.
I'm going to do pink with a pink flower.
No more charms.
No.
This smells sour. Okay, now I open the uni. Okay, this is adorable. Okay, I'm going to use this blue one and put a green one in.
I've got a pink flower.
Okay, just a plain green one.
Okay, this is mine.
Oh, that's cute.
Okay, this is mine. I got a little pink flower in it.
Okay,
And
so,
I use pink now.
okay, now, Poppy, you can either use a purple or yellow.
What about oh, because you're using green.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the confetti one. I'm just gonna blow it up again with the yellow one.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
We done?
We're doing a video.
And you're in it.
Nana, you're in another video.
Not taking you out! Which could I use it on? Use yellow. It matches that.
Oh, I'm using purple.
We're gonna do a giveaway for an egg. Tell us your address. You know, Naz, she has her own clothes shop. And she's only 14. Yeah.
We could ask my mom.
This is so cute. Oh, Poppy, I love this one. I want to try it now.
I know this is your laser.
I love this one, but there's no charm in it.
I don't think
Or else I would actually steal this one from you.
That was fun.
I love this one.
I'm gonna ask my mum if we get to 100 subscribers or 50.
This.
Huh? I told you you could pick one.
Oh,
Pick one.
this one. Okay. There's no charm in it.
But you don't need to.
I want them to be.
No, do not take my pink charm.
Yeah, I'm gonna paint it on mine.
This.
Yes. Cactus.
Your cactus.
Very slay.
Very pretty and very demure.
Very mindful.
Milo,
I tell you, copying my brain. Copy my brain.
So these are all our eggs. Not all of these, but there's more.
That Poppy has randomly put somewhere. Wait, we need to do an outro. We need to clean this up first. We're going to crop this part out of the video though, because in the banana, put all the wrappers in the banana.
We need to find somewhere in the jar.
Guys, comment down below if we reach 50. Wait, Poppy, look, put it in your old pen.
Guys, I'm gonna say 50 subscribers. We can start a shop.
50 million.
50. Just please get us to 50 or get us to 20.
Milo!
I want 100.
Yeah, but like it.
Look at this. This is all the empty ones.
Yeah.
One fell out. Poppy, you can sort that out now.
I know. I didn't do that
I
much.
told you to put the rubbish away. There's still rubbish on here.
You can do that while I do this.
No, because I told you to put the rubbish away and you never did.
So,
No, it's mine. I said it's next to my water.
I thought you meant a green cactus was in there.
I said at the start it was pink.
Did you? Oh. Okay.
Bye from the cousins. Oh. Bye. We can't put this in video. You think they'll come out?
No.
I'm gonna put it on your head. Come on, we need to do our outro. No. The outro, put them back.
No.
Put them back. We need to do our outro. Can't leave this video forever. Okay. Let me put it back. Or do you want to put it back? Okay, let's do our outro.
Outro.
What happened to this bag? Okay.
Bye from the bestie. We cousins.
Bye.
Bye from the.
We didn't say the.
Oh, we haven't. Let's clean up.
We need to get this.
Mission failed.
No!